Assalamu alaikum warahmatullah. Welcome to my channel to learn Excel. Today we are going to discuss about the subtotal functions and grouping and ungrouping function that are the most advanced and useful function while you are working in Excel. We are used to use this function on a daily basis as per requirements. And if you are really interested to be a smart in Excel, so I recommend you to please subscribe my channel so that you will get the access over the entire videos uploaded in my channel regarding the Excel information. Let's start today's topic. In this topic, we are going to cover the basic and advanced functions, which is grouping and ungrouping and subtotal. We have a data containing four ranges: employees, designation, basic salary, and bonuses. Now we are required to group this data. How to use it, how to group this data? We have a function in data tab that is grouping, ungrouping, and subtotal. Right now we are going to grouping this data. So we have to select this entire data by using Control A. Control A is a shortcut key to select the entire table. Then we click grouping. We have a window and it has two options. How to group this data by rows and column. First, we are going to group this data by rows. We click OK, and we can see that there are the two options are available here. If you click one, all data will be disappeared. You can see that rows are 1, 2, 3, 4, and after that, you can see that the data will be disappeared. You can see that 1, 2, 3, 4, and after that, row number 27 is appeared. Rest of the range of the rows are disappeared. When you click 2, 1, all data will be appeared. It's a function of grouping. When you are going to group this data by rows, so these two options will be appeared in row side. Now we are going to group this data by column, and we can see that same options will be appeared there this time, and you can use this by clicking. When you click one, all data will be disappeared, and you can see that the B, C, D, E, F, and after that J column is appeared. The rest of the column, which is F, G, H, I, containing all the information about it, about the employees, are disappeared. How can use the grouping data and how to use ungrouped data? This we are going to discuss in this lecture. Now we are going to ungroup all the functions that we have all recently used. We ungroup, and it's asking about how to ungroup this data by rows and column. First, we select rows, and we can see that all the options are disappeared. Now we use again ungrouping data and select column and click OK. Click OK. And now you can see that all the option of the all the data will be appeared. You can just drag this data and all data are appeared. Now we are going to use the subtotal functions. How can we use this subtotal function? We are required to sort the data of entire column. We will use to subtotal on the basis of that. You can see that designation are sort. First, clerk are appeared, then manager, then supervisor. So I sort this data by designation, and now we are going to use subtotal function. We have already know that how to select the entire data by using Control A, click subtotal. This window having some options. So first option is you will at each change it means you want to subtotal by designation. You select the designation and use function. You are going to get the data by sum, count, average, max, minimum, product. Right now we are going to use sum function, and there are two columns having numerical values. So we select bonus first and click OK. You can see that all clerk subtotal are here appear. Now manager total is appeared and supervisor total is appeared, and at the end of the table grand total is appeared automatically, and the options are available. Leftmost column 1, 2, 3. If you click 1, all data will be disappear and you just having a data grand total. When you click 2, so summary will be appeared, clerk total, manager total, supervisor total, and grand total. And when click 3rd, all data will be appeared. Okay. Now we are going to use the second function of subtotal. So we have to select the entire data and click subtotal again. And we uncheck replace current subtotal and click sum average. Instead of sum, we select average. So what is the result of that? You can see clerk average and total both are appeared. If I check replace current subtotal, it means clerk total will be disappeared, will be converted into clerk average. But we require to having two data which is clerk average and clerk total as well. So I uncheck this uncheck replace current subtotal and select average. So both are appeared. Okay. And the third option is if I required to page break by designation total. Page break by designation total. So I used subtotal and check page break between groups, then click OK. And you can see that print lines are appeared, but we have a huge data, so we have to adjust the data in one print. So I select all entire data, go to page layout, page setup. Okay, I click here and drag this line at the end of the table. Now you can see that we have a data in page break view by designation. Now we click print preview by Control F2. Control F2, and I can see that clerk designation are available. There are 3 pages. If I click next page, manager data are available. If I click 3rd, which is supervisor, so supervisor data are available. And the end of the data, grand average are also available. So you can understand how to use grouping and ungrouping data as well as subtotal data. I hope you watched this video till end and you get the entire information that I have just delivered in this lecture. And if you are really want to be a smart in Excel, be connected with this channel so that you can get the new information day by day. Till then, take care. Allah Hafiz.